Guys having trouble getting clay stuck in molds? Here's a few tips. So a key to cleaning out molds is pre-gaming, in the sense that you want to seal your sculpt really well before molding. So and how you wall off your sculpt, all that kind of stuff will help. So I seal it with Krylon crystal clear gloss. It doesn't really matter as long as it's that crystal clear works. I put a couple layers on it, let it dry, or put one, let it dry, put another, and then I used like Pam vegetable spray, cooking spray, over that right before starting to mold. And then I release, this is the face mask, but also for my edges I'll use Johnson's paste wax to release the outside edges. So basically I just took a tongue suppressor, poked in there. Wood and plastic are kind of, wood especially when you're initially digging in, so if you hit your sculpt, you don't scrape it, damage it like you might with a wood metal tool. So I use like a wooden one. I just poked in here, and then it ended up getting a nice little finger hold here. And really, then you can just start slowly peeling it out. And you can see this is about an inch thick, at least an inch thick of clay. And every once in a while you might hear a little pop, and that's the clear spray kind of releasing from where you tear different sections out. But I mean, look how clean this mold is. So I guarantee not only the spray, the clear spray, which kind of gives it a plasticky texture, but then the Pam cooking spray over that just kind of helps out. So quick little thing. This thing is going to come out nice and clean, and instead of taking hours to clean out a mold, it takes minutes.